Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all will good. My name is Chef Rahul Markam and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna make a fresh baby spinach salad. So let's start. We will make a baby spinach salad. So we have here baby spinach, fresh baby spinach, some dice of cucumber and red radish. Here we have a croutons and here we have a parmesan cheese and here we have a balsamic vinegar. So let's start. Let's start our baby spinach salad. So here we have a baby spinach, fresh baby spinach, and now I gonna put this balsamic vinegar dressing. Now I will mix it nicely, but not a fast, slowly because it's a fresh leaf. So when I will put up my energy over here, so it's looking like it's 2 days 3 days before old, its freshness, it will be gone. So I will mix it nicely and slowly. Then I will add some parmesan cheese. Then again I will mix it slowly. Now it's done. So it's time to plating. So here we have the fresh plate. It's totally clean. So I will put my baby spinach salad on the top of this plate. And it's time to garnish. So I will use the red radish slices as a garnish. Then cubes of this cucumber. Then I will put on the top this grated parmesan cheese. Then as well as a garnish I will put this croutons. So here we go. It's our fresh baby leaves spinach salad. So you can see our baby spinach salad. It's ready now. Look at that, his color. Fresh baby spinach salad.